Today I'm going to give you some ideas or examples of where bridge financing loans are required. Debt consolidation is a way or an example of where bridge financing is helpful. So first of all, let's say if we have somebody that has credit that is temporarily damaged, maybe through a separation or something like that. So we do bridge financing, we clear up the credit, and within a number of months, credit's back up again, and the borrower can borrow money from a regular source, long-term financing. Another example would be where, let's say somebody's credit is not good and they want to negotiate and pay off their creditors. So with a bridge financing loan, we're able to give money quickly, they put it in their account, and they can negotiate, pay out everything, and then start working on building their credit again. Bridge financing from a private source can be helpful with property acquisition. An example would be, for instance, if somebody's buying a property and they have financing set, and maybe the financing falls through. It could be 3 days prior to closing, financing falls through. Bridge financing can step in, close the deal. Another example would be where somebody comes across a property that maybe it's a power sale, they can get it for a great price, but they need to close right away. Bridge financing would be great for that. So cash flow funding really means, somebody's running a business and your normal cash flow of the business is not meeting a requirement. So you would use bridge financing, for example. All of a sudden you got in a big order and the cash flow wasn't allowing for the funds required to set up for that big order. So you would be using your property, get some bridge financing, get the money rather quickly so you can get working on it and go through the process, sell it, and the bridge financing could be paid out. Second thing would be, even if, let's say if you're running a business, commercial property, and something comes up that's unplanned. Again, it's cash flow. You don't have it in your cash flow. So all of a sudden something came up, whether it's a major repair, you need bridge financing. It can be done quickly. You can get the problem fixed. For construction, bridge financing is, because, by the nature bridge financing is short term, so a lot of times bridge financing is used in construction. An example would be somebody is building a home and they're almost finished, but they need maybe 100 to complete it or 50 to complete it, and they need it rather quickly. So that's one example where we would do quick bridge financing. Another one would be where you're doing construction on a property and maybe you've got some type of financing set up with a lender for a large construction loan, but they will not give you money to acquire the land. So you could use bridge financing, buy the land, close that, and then as you start building, the other construction loan comes into play and you'd pay out the bridge financing. Bridge loans can be put into place comfortably on a regular basis, say 10 to 15 days. If it's required, a bridge loan can be done much faster. If we had everything in our hands, and we could do it and close probably within about 2 to 5 days, which we do those, quite often. But comfortably, say 10 to 15 days for a bridge financing closing. If you need more information, give me a call or send me an email. If you get my voicemail, leave your name, number, and best time to call. Your call is important to me. I will call you back. Look forward to speaking with you. Take care.